Hi there everyone and welcome once again to the Trainaid HQ. My name is Nick and in today's video we are looking at the Level 5 Diploma in Education and Training, and we are going to be looking at criteria number 5, which is the lesson observations. As we know, in order to complete this criteria you have to be observed 8 times by a qualified teacher. Once again, do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive the latest updates and alerts from the team. In terms of criteria number 5, these are the lesson observations. You have to be observed 8 times over your Level 5 Diploma in Education and Training course in order to receive feedback from your mentors, from qualified teachers, who can give you lots of supportive advice on how to become a much more of a well-rounded teacher. So in terms of this criteria, you have to be observed on 8 separate occasions by anyone who has got a Level 5 Diploma in Education and Training certificate or higher, such as a PGCE. If you are going to be observed by a teacher, perhaps a mentor or a colleague, please do email a copy of the observer's certificate to us and we can obviously release the observation form to you. So as you know, you can of course use the Trainaid observation guide, or you can use your own organisations as well. So if you do have any questions about the observations, please do get in contact with us and we can have a chat over the phone or by email. So what are the lesson observations and why are they important? For every teaching course, you do have to be observed within your teaching role. You can of course be observed in the classroom. Okay, this could be observed virtually, so you could be delivering perhaps on platforms such as Zoom or Teams. That's absolutely fine. So all 8 can of course be delivered either in the classroom or online, or it could be a blend of the two. However you usually teach your lessons. We are looking for you to be observed whilst you are teaching to groups or classes of learners. So that's very important as well. So 8 lesson observations are to be completed. 1 hour is the suggested time for the observer to observe you. And once again, these observations are developmental, they're not graded, okay? They will not have an impact on your certificate. The grades, whatever, it will not be on there. So don't worry, okay? So they're just there as a developmental purpose. And if it was me taking the Level 5 Diploma course, I would space out the observations so they're not clustered together, they are spaced out, and you do have time to work on your strengths and areas for development, and also put perhaps some action points into place as well, so you can see how you're moving along. So once again, in terms of the lesson observation, you can of course use the observation form provided by Trainaid and TQ UK. So the observer could be at the back of your classroom, they could be handwriting on the lesson observation form, they could be typing as well, that's absolutely fine. So in terms of the observation template, if the observer is more used to their own organisation's template, then of course they can use that system as well. If your observer would like to have a grading system, okay, that's absolutely fine, okay. Some teachers do like grades, but our template does not include any grades there. So do have a discussion with your observer to find out about the format in how they are going to be observing you. So very important as well that you do send in the observer's certificate. So what happens if I don't have an observer? Well, don't worry, okay. Trainaid can observe a recording of your lesson, okay, that's absolutely fine. It would cost an additional £30, including VAT, per observation as well. We can release one of our team members to complete the observation form on you. If you do send a 1 hour recording, that's absolutely fine for us to give you feedback, okay? But once again, please do get in contact if you have any questions there. In regards to the observations, you can of course have that one designated observer, or you can have a variety of observers, okay? Obviously, 8 observations just for one person is quite a lot to complete. You may wish to use different people, such as line managers, colleagues. It could even be a principal. So having a variety of different observers could be very useful for your own development, of course. So if you do have any questions, please get in contact with us and we can support you with the observation side. But once again, thank you for watching. Please do like the video and also subscribe to receive the latest updates and alerts from the team. Bye for now.